Here we will study about the structure of kidney in human beings. The excretory, it's a very uh, important part of excretory system, and the excretory system, the kidney, one pair kidney found in abdominal region of human body, and the right and left kidney, both kidneys, the length of the kidney is 10 to 12 centimeter and breadth 5 to 7 centimeter and weight 150 gram. And kidneys, the anterior part of kidney containing adrenal gland. The adrenal gland, it's release the emergency hormones in emergency condition like a fear and emotions and anxiety. And the part of kidney, it's the internal structure of kidney. Firstly, the kidney, it's here, and inside the kidney, the longitudinal section of kidney, inside the part of kidney, the outer layer, it's a renal capsule, thin capsular structure, and the outer region is known as cortex, divided into kidney, divided into two parts, first cortex and second medulla, and both are containing a millions of functional unit of nephron. And the functional unit nephron are of two types. First, inside the cortical region, it's a cortical nephric filtrate, and the other medullary filtrate are juxta corticonephric filtrate are nephrons. And the sac-like chamber-like structure, a conical chamber-like structure is known as calyx. Pyramidal structure is a calyx, and inside the renal arteries, you know, that distributed fresh blood, and the renal pelvis and ureter filtrate the chemical content, filtered nitrogenous waste matter filtered this side, and then attached to the ureter, attached to the urinary bladder, and inside the urinary bladder, urine collected here after filtration. The most three functions of the kidney is first ultrafiltration, and second secretion and reabsorption, and third urine formation. Ultrafiltration, first most important mechanism of functions of kidney is ultrafiltration. And in ultrafiltration, the part of nephron, it's divided into three parts. First, Bowman capsule, second, proximal convoluted tubule, third one, distal convoluted tubules, and last, fourth one is collecting duct. And firstly, the dirty blood insert through the afferent arterioles, and efferent arterioles, the blood collect at this side, and the pressure, high pressure, blood pressure is very high, 60 mmHg, and then filtrate the nitrogenous waste matter filtered here by the semi-permeable lower part of Bowman capsule act as a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane like behavior, and the site of the proximal convoluted tubule it act as the solution of inside the proximal convoluted tubule is isotonic in nature. And isotonic solution means the internal concentration and outer concentration is equal. And isotonic, and inside the different types, neck-like region, and inside the different type of structure in epidermal cell of kidney is known as podocyte. And podocyte cells only responsible for downward filtrating material flow downward only, and the more chemical content like filtered found in blood region, it's a glucose, amino acid, vitamins and hormones, and necessary are essential product for body. It's diffused inside the blood capillaries, and the excretory matter, nitrogenous excretory product released through inside the proximal convoluted tubules, and then filtrate downward. And the second part of the proximal convoluted tubules, it's a very U-shaped or a loop-like structure. It's a hairpin-like structure is known as loop of Henne's. And the loop of Henne's, its reabsorption center, maximum urea, water and salt like NaCl, it's trapped here. And the other part means the concentration of, it's a thin comparison to thin tube comparison to proximal side, and this the hypertonic solution. Show hypertonic solution. And hypertonic solution means absorption inside the thick inside less in amount and outside maximum in amount. And the other part, the distal convoluted tubules. Distal means दूर, and the distal convoluted tubules, the maximum diffuse the ionic substance like a potassium, hydrogen, sodium inside, and the high concentration inside the tubules. It's a thick in nature and broad tube, and the other it's related to the collecting duct. And the collecting duct, it's a last part of the nephron, and the water absorbed in collecting duct, excess water collected here, and some amount of urea, and the urine, it's a different color produced in urine, and the color produced by the a type of pigment found in nephric filtrate, it's known as creatinine. And the pH at this site is a basic in nature, and the in adult man release 1 liter urine per day.